Mischief. Is your head stuck?
Mischief. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty.
What are you doing? Were you doing something?
Cat.
Were you doing something you shouldn't have, Mischief? Tell me, kitty, kitty, kitty.
It's like, just get it off my head.
Kitty, kitty. What'd you do?
You trying to get biscuits early? Huh? Yeah. You gotta get it off you. There you go.
Was it stuck on your head? You're not gonna do it again, huh?
Everybody's gathering.
What are you two gonna try now? Camo. Alright, Fluffy. You're gonna get your head stuck.
I'm not gonna try that. I guess I may be blonde, but you know.
Oh, there goes Camo.
And Fluffy said, I want to try it.
Really, Cat? You gotta be kidding me.
It's nothing but a biscuit and you want to grab your burn.
Are you holding? Who are you holding, Fluffy?
No.
I love you.
I love you.
You're too cute. Say you're the best mommy ever.
You're the best mommy ever.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you.
You're one of the best sons ever.
I'm your best son.
Yeah, you're my best son. Okay.